Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.